How to set up and use heat foil pen Cameo 5, Curio 2 and Portrait 4. Step 1. First, insert the heat foil pen into carriage 2. Step 2. Go to the Library tab, then search and select a design to use. Step 3. Resize the design. Step 4. Go to Shapes and select a rounded rectangle. Step 5. Drag and draw the shape around the design. Step 6. Click Center to Page in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 7. Go to the Page Setup panel and select the machine. Step 8. Click the Tray drop-down and select Debris Tray, then select the cutting mat you'll be using. Step 9. Set the media size. Step 10. Select the design and go to the Specialty Tools panel. Step 11. Select Heat Pen and select a Gilt effect. Step 12. Click the Line Color drop-down and select a color. Step 13. Now go to the Send panel and Silhouette Studio will detect the blade inserted. Step 14. When you get a Heat Pen detected prompt, click Turn On Now. Step 15. Go to the Line tab, select the color that you're going to foil and uncheck the other color. Step 16. Set the foil color layer to tool number 2. Step 17. When you get the Settings Not Found prompt, click More. Step 18. Select the machine you'll be using and click the plus icon at the bottom of Material Settings. Step 19. Right-click New Material and select Rename New Material. Step 20. Click on your machine and select the Carriage 2 tab. Step 21. Click on the plus sign and select Add Foil Action. Step 22. Select the Sketch tab and click Remove Action. Step 23. This will remove the Sketch tab and it'll automatically take you to the Foil tab. Step 24. Check the foil settings and click Save, then close the Material Settings window. Step 25. Change the material of the selected color from the Material drop-down. Step 26. Verify that the settings are correct and there will be an icon indicating that the heat pen is heating. Step 27. The pen will take about 3 minutes to heat. Step 28. While it's heating, set up the material on the mat and machine. Step 29. Tape down the material and ensure that the foil is as smooth as possible. Step 30. Once the pen is heated, it'll show that the machine is ready. Go ahead and click Send. Step 31. In the new pop-up window, click Send, then read the instruction and click Next. Step 32. When it tells you to position carriage 1 using the directional keys, go to your machine and position the carriage. Step 33. Once done, click Detect Thickness and wait for the machine to detect the thickness. Step 34. Once it detects the thickness, reset the housing, then read the instructions and click Next through it. Step 35. Click Send when you get the Your Curio 2 is ready screen. Step 36. It'll start foiling, which will take some time. Step 37. Once it's done foiling, carefully remove the foil and reveal the finished project. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.